Hello, my dear students, and welcome back to the channel. So, guys, in this session, we will be discussing NABARD Grade A previous year paper for for phase one for the year 2023. सो गाइज ये प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर है, मेमोरी बेस्ड एक पेपर है जिसको हम सॉल्यूशन आज देखेंगे इस सेशन में. नाउ द पर्पस ऑफ दिस सेशन इज टू बेसिकली हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं, कैसे उनको टैकल करना होता है इन अ टाइम बाउंड मैनर, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस जो आपको एग्जाम में देखने को मिलता है. तो दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस सेशन. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द सेशन गाइज, और एंड तक देखिएगा. दिस विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू टू गिव यू to boost your confidence and to give you morale, right, for your preparation. तो शुरू करते हैं guys, but before we go any further, let me tell you about the comprehensive guidebook for NABARD Grade A Manager. Now guys, if you are starting out to prepare for this exam, this guidebook is absolutely बाइबल फॉर यू. इस गाइडबुक में आपको हर चीज़ मिलेगी. आपको नबार्ड की हिस्ट्री से लेके कितने क्या सिलेबस है, क्या स्ट्रैटेजी हैं, क्या सोर्सेज हैं, PYQs कैसे हैं, हर चीज़, डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश का क्या पैटर्न रहता है, एवरीथिंग इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू इन दिस गाइडबुक. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली दिस गाइडबुक इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री फॉर यू. द लिंक फॉर दिस गाइडबुक हैज़ बीन गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द वीडियो गाइज. गो चेक इट आउट एंड गेट बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम इट. तो चलिए गाइज शुरू करते हैं अपना previous year paper 2023. So guys, I'll read out the question to you and I'll explain the solution to you. You can find the PDF of this session in our Telegram channel. The link for our Telegram channel has also been given in the description of the video itself. So come join us and start your preparation. शुरू करते हैं guys. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है डबल फेलियर का क्वेश्चन है. यू आर गिवन टू ब्लैंक्स इन अ सेंटेंस एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द राइट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स टू फिट हियर. तो पहला सेंटेंस है, द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल इन तमिलनाडु, ममता बनर्जी एंड MK Stalin respectively have jointly proposed a dash of non-BJP chief ministers. Okay. ये क्योंकि ये आई थिंक ये दूसरी पार्टीज के हैं, TMC का है, कोई दूसरी पार्टी का, तो इन्होंने क्या किया है, नॉन BJP चीफ मिनिस्टर्स का ज्वाइंटली एक प्रपोजल दिया है किसी चीज़ का. द इनिशिएटिव इज स्टिल डैश एंड देर इज नो क्लियर एजेंडा और अ डेफिनेट डेट बट द पॉलिटिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज एम्पली क्लियर. तो उसने बोला है कि दे हैव प्रपोज्ड अ bond doesn't make sense. The initiative is still hectic, doesn't make sense. Proposed a standard of non-BJP standard doesn't make any sense. Convention हो सकता है, settlement हो सकता है, settlement भी नहीं हो सकता है, settlement of no. Guys, I think the clear answer is option C. Have proposed a convention of non-BJP chief ministers. The initiative is still nascent. Nascent is young, मतलब in its in its preliminary stage, initial stages. So the initiative is still young and there is no clear agenda or definite date, but the political context is amply clear. So option C is your answer here. Next question guys, Dokra or Dhokra is a non-ferrous metal dash that has been used in India for over 4,000 years. Okay. Dash, the handicraft is still prepared by hand by village artisans of Odisha without the involvement of any machines. Okay. Dokra or Dhokra is a non-ferrous metal dash. Metal is adjective, so it should be noun. Metal casting, metal aiming, doesn't make sense. Metal is adjective, so it should be a noun. Metal drafting or metal bending. No, it's not drafting. Drafting doesn't make, draft is when you write something, right, or paint something, so that's drafting. But casting and bending, these could be the potential answers. So Dokra is a non-ferrous metal casting or bending that has been used in India for over 4,000 years. Alluringly or repulsively, repulsively is when you hate something, so that doesn't make sense. He is talking about the positive aspect of Dokra here. So the clear answer is option A. Dokra or Dhokra is a non-ferrous metal casting that has been used in India for over, casting is वो जो cast जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, कि जिसके अंदर कोई चीज़ मेटल की चीज़ डाल के उसको बनाया जाता है, for over 4,000 years. Alluringly, when it attracts people, alluringly तो यही बनता है. Alluringly, the handicraft is still prepared by hand by village artisans. So option A is your clear answer. Next question guys, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath remarked that the state could become Kashmir, West Bengal or Kerala if voters dash a mistake could have been at any other time or context laughed at for stretching dash. If voters dash a mistake, pledged a mistake, pledge is कोई promise करना, no. Committed a mistake, yes. Confide किसी को अपना राज की बात बताना, तो mistake में confide नहीं होता. Bounded a mistake, committed ठीक लग रहा है मुझे, but आगे देखते हैं. Committed a mistake, could have been at any other time or context laughed at for stretching credulity or stretching credit. Doesn't make sense, guys. Clear answer is option B. Okay, if voters commit, UP Chief Minister Adityanath remarks that the state could become Kashmir, West Bengal or Kerala if voters committed a mistake, could have been at any other time or context laughed at for stretching credulity. Next question, guys. Question number 4. For a certain type who rely on dash in their politics, dash that can act as a dog whistle is a key weapon in an electoral battle. So, for a certain type who rely on dash in their politics, liberalism, conservatism, okay, insularity, or bigotry. I don't think insularity can fit here. Cogency, that connect, no, cogency is when you are cogent, when you are when you work together. So conservation, it doesn't mean working together. Liberalism, soundness that can act as soundness, doesn't, rhetoric is the right, guys. So option D is the correct answer. For a certain type who rely on bigotry, that means who are biased in their politics, rhetoric that can act as dog whistle is a key weapon in an electoral battle. So option D is your correct answer. Next question, guys. Okay, now what I've given, part of a sentence is highlighted. You need to find the best replacement for the highlighted sentence. Improvement basically to make the sentence grammatically and meaningfully correct. So we have to find the correct replacement for the bold part. A 54-year-old man have been arrested for marrying 14 women across the country, duping them of lakhs of rupees. A 55-year-old man has होना चाहिए था. Has been arrested for, has arrested no, have arrested for no, had been arrested अगर past में होता तो. But the clear answer is option A. A 54-year-old man has been arrested for marrying 14 women across the country. Next question. In Parliament recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had a heated debate on the scope and limits of Indian federalism. In Parliament recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi have a recently तो have तो नहीं आ सकता. had a heating debate, नहीं, heated debate ही होता है. has नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि and है तो 1+1 में तो ऐसा ही नहीं सकता. Having a heated debate, nahi guys, no improvement. The sentence is absolutely correct as it is. They had a heated debate on the scope and limits of Indian federalism. So the sentence is absolutely correct. Next question, guys. A 2-year-old girl in Andhra Pradesh accidentally fell onto a vessel of hot sambar on her birthday on Sunday. Onto नहीं into होना चाहिए था, but चलो देखते हैं. Fell in, fell onto, fell into, वही ना, fell in या fell onto doesn't make sense. Fell into a vessel of hot sambar या fell into a fall into नहीं, fell into. Accidentally on her birthday, तो past की बात चल रही है, अपने birthday वाले दिन वो गिर गई. So it should be a 2-year-old girl in Andhra Pradesh accidentally fell into a vessel of hot sambar. So it should be option number C here. Okay, because whenever you fall inside of something, we have to use preposition into, not onto. Next question, guys. 33 people were injured when a Himachal Road Transport HRTC bus met with an accident होता है. मैं चलिए तो मतलब वैसे ही समझ आ रहा है. तो HRTC bus met on an accident in Shimla. Met an accident, met with an accident, met to an accident, met off an accident. Clear answer is option B. The HRTC bus met with an accident in Shimla district. So option B is a clear answer. Next question, guys. ABG Shipyard Limited, one of India's largest private sector shipyard firms, has been booked by the CBI for defrauding 28 banks to the tune of होता है, tune at नहीं होता, वो instinct है ना, तो tune to, tune for, ट्यून ऑन या ट्यून ऑफ, ये देख लो. पहले अगर आपको गाइस क्लैरिटी है ना कॉन्सेप्ट की, तो आप क्वेश्चन दिखते ही आप आंसर आपके दिमाग में आ चुका होगा. ये गलती है, लेकिन दिस कम्स विद अ लिटिल प्रैक्टिस. सो फॉर डिफ्रॉडिंग 28 बैंक्स टू द ट्यून एट नहीं होता है, ट्यून ऑफ 22,800 करोड़ रुपीज. सो इट शुड बी ऑप्शन डी. सो it has been booked by CBI for defrauding 28 banks to the tune of 22,800 crore rupees. So option D is your clear answer. चले गाइस, नेक्स्ट टाइप पे चलते हैं. अब हमें क्या दिया हुआ, क्लोज टेस्ट दिया है और हमें देखना है कि क्या सही यहाँ पे बैठता है. तो लेट्स सी. The Indian Premier League auction held over the weekend at Bengaluru reflected financial dash and fresh hopes That a league dash in spirit and international in flavor can cope with 2 pandemic years and still remain economically dash is a pointer to its marketing dash and strong financial underpinnings. Positive tone hai iski. Nearly 552 crore and 551 crore to be dash was spent by 10 franchises as they sought to dash their squads with a bouquet of players with varied skill sets. So the Indian Premier League auction held over the weekend at Bengaluru reflected financial adversities, financial pressure, financial burden या financial heft, उनमें कितनी ताकत है. So the clear answer is financial heft and fresh hopes that a league dash in spirit, private in spirit, state in spirit, local in spirit, domestic in spirit. Local नहीं, domestic it should be. Okay, that a league domestic in spirit and international in flavor. Yes, तो domestic और international का combination बनता है ना. So domestic in spirit and international in flavor can cope with 2 pandemic years and still remain economically robust, economically mild, lethargic. Lethargic is थका हुआ, fragile जो जल्दी टूट सकता है नहीं. तो it remains economically robust is a pointer to its marketing dash, marketing terminate, marketing discontinuity, marketing functionality या marketing viability. मार्केटिंग वायबिलिटी, फंक्शनैलिटी तो फंक्शन करना होता है लेकिन मार्केटिंग की कितनी वायबल है वो. तो इट रिमेन्स इकोनॉमिकली रोबस्ट एंड इज अ पॉइंटर टू इट्स मार्केटिंग वायबिलिटी and strong financial underpinnings. Nearly 552 crore, 551.7 crore to be dash, to be relatively, to be precise, roughly, to be approximate, to be precise होना चाहिए था. To be precise, roughly तो उसने specific number दिया. To be specific या to be precise was spent by 10 franchises as they sought to dash their squads. Bolster, undermine होता है किसी को मतलब वो weak करना, enhance देयर स्क्वाड्स या वैलिडेट नहीं. तो ये बोस्टर या एनहांस आ सकता था. तो देखते हैं कि इतना करोड़ टू बी प्रिसाइज वाज स्पेंट बाय 10 franchises as they sought to dash their squads with a bouquet of players with varied skill sets as they enhance their squads या as they bolster their squads with enhance. तो आई थिंक बोल्स्टर होता है स्ट्रेंथन करना, इनहैंस करना, उसको आगे बढ़ाना, लेकिन बोल्स्टर होता है उसको स्ट्रेंथन करना. सो दे आर स्ट्रेंथनिंग देयर स्क्वाड्स विद अ बुके ऑफ प्लेयर्स विद वेरिड स्किल सेट. सो आई थिंक ऑप्शन ए इज योर क्लियर आंसर. सो ऐसे आप गाइस एक बार पूरा पढ़ के क्लोज टेस्ट को और फिर उनको आंसर करना होता है आपको, ताकि यू गेट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट राइट. ठीक है, चलेगा इस नेक्स्ट. अब इसमें हमें एरर डिटेक्शन के क्वेश्चन दिए. हमें सेंटेंस को 5 पार्ट में ब्रेक किया और हमें बताना है किस पार्ट में एरर है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड विच पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज एररनेस. द क्वाड मिनिस्टरियल मीटिंग इन मेलबर्न meant to set the stage for a meeting by the leader of Australia, India, Japan, and the US later this year in Tokyo ended with outcomes that showcased its positive agenda in the Indo-Pacific region. Guys, the Quad ministerial meeting, ministerial meeting अलग अलग देशों के हैं. तो meant to set the stage for a meeting by the leader of या by the leaders of, because by the leaders of Australia, India, Japan and the US जो अलग अलग कंट्रीज के, तो it should be leaders of, not leader of. So leaders of Australia, India, Japan and the US later this year. So it should be option number B. मुझे तो दिख गया था पढ़ते ही, क्योंकि वो मुझे तो आइडिया रहता है, बट यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल रीडिंग सच क्वेश्चंस. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ कम्युनल एंगल इज ओकेजनली एडेड as Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath did last week in branding West Bengal, Kerala or Kashmir, apparently for the high levels of politic power enjoyed by Muslims there. Politic power या political power? So it should not be politic, it should be political power enjoyed by Muslims there. Politic is a noun, whereas political is an adjective. So it should be apparently for the high levels of political power enjoyed by Muslims there. So it should be option number E. चलेगा इस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. द गर्ल्स हु पेटिशनड इन फेवर ऑफ हिजाब रिक्वेस्टेड द कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट ऑन मंडे टू अलाउ देम टू वेयर इस्लामिक हेड स्कार्फ्स ऑफ द कलर ऑफ द स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म. द गर्ल्स है, द गर्ल्स हु पेटिशनड आना चाहिए इन फेवर ऑफ हिजाब रिक्वेस्टेड द कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट ऑन मंडे टू अलाउ देम टू वेयर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि मंडे को किया है, पास्ट की बात हो रही है, तो हु पेटिशनड आएगा यहाँ पर. द गर्ल्स हु petitioned in the favor of hijab requested the Karnataka High Court on Monday to allow them to wear Islamic headscarves of their color in the school uniform. So option A is your clear answer. चलिए guys, next question. Hundreds of people participated in a bull taming sport organized at Karlagatta village in Andhra's Chittoor district despite the government warning that action would be taken against the organizers. Despite the government warning, गवर्नमेंट वार्निंग नहीं, गवर्नमेंट्स वार्निंग आएगा यहाँ पे। तो क्या होना चाहिए था गाइस यहाँ पे, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल participated in a bull taming sport organized at Karlagatta village in Andhra's Chittoor district despite the government's warning that action would be taken against the organizer. Not the, despite the government warning, government's warning. So it should be option number D. So it should be apostrophe S. Government की warning. Government ने warn किया है. So that warning has been given out by the government. So it should be despite the government's warning that action would be taken against the organizer. So option D is the answer. Chale guys, next. Okay, in each of the following questions, 4 words have been highlighted in bold. 4 word bold करके दें. These words may or may not be correctly spelt or inappropriate in the context of the sentence. तो हमें सही spelling या सही उसका context ढूंढना है इन words का. Okay. BJP leaders are questioning the intent of petitioners in the Hijab Rao who were seeking in an urgent interim order on the issue. Who were sinking? Sinking नहीं, seeking आना चाहिए था यहाँ पे. Sinking नहीं, sinking तो डूबना होता है. Who were seeking an urgent interim order on the issue. So it should not be sinking, it should be seeking. So option C is your clear answer. Next question guys. A Kerala man builds a garden to prevent waste from accumulating beyond a bridge in Kozhikode. Accumulating beyond a bridge नहीं, under a bridge, beneath a bridge आना चाहिए था. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे D में क्या आना चाहिए था, under या beneath a bridge. So option D is your clear answer. Next question guys. The accused had allegedly entered into a conspiracy. The accused had allegedly entered into, वैसे एंटर के साथ इंटू यूज नहीं होता, ये गलत दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, बट फिर भी चलो हमें तो बोल्ड वर्ड्स को देखना है तो हम वो देखते हैं. द अक्यूज्ड हैड allegedly entered into a conspiracy with private suppliers to purchase non-store items at higher costs in exchange for illegal monetary benefit from private firms. तो ये illegal की स्पेलिंग गलत है, illegal की स्पेलिंग illegal ये होती है. So it should be illegal. Option C is your clear answer. And next question guys, on February 14, 2019, Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed terror group had attacked a convoy of the CRPF in Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir, killing 40 personnel of the force. टेरर ग्रुप हैड अटैक्ड की स्पेलिंग गलत है. अरे मैं भी जल्दी जल्दी में ऊपर से पढ़ गया था. ATTCAKED आएगा यहाँ पे, तो अटैक्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज योर क्लियर आंसर. ध्यान थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द राइट आंसर गाइस. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं गाइस. अब हमारे पास आता है पैसेज, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पे पैसेज है. तो उसमें हमें 2 वर्ड बोल्ड करके दिए हुए, एक तो गार्नर और एक स्टीप. यही है. और अब पहले गाइस रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को कैसे सॉल्व करना है, पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़ो, अपने कीवर्ड्स मार्क करो और फिर पैसेज पढ़ना है हमें. अच्छा छोटा ही पैसेज है, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट एज पर द पैसेज. तो इनमें से इनकरेक्ट कौन सी स्टेटमेंट है वो हमें ढूंढनी है, ठीक है. व्हाई डिड द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी टेंड टू ट्रेड एट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ देयर एम्बेडेड वैल्यूज. कि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी अपनी एम्बेडेड वैल्यूज के मल्टीपल पे क्यों ट्रेड कर रही थी, ठीक है. तो ये हमें बताना है. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज करेक्ट इन द पैसेज. ठीक है, ये भी पढ़ के समझ आएगा. हाउ कैन वी से दैट LIC हैज बीन इंक्रीजिंगली गिविंग स्पेस टू प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स इन बिटवीन 15-16 एंड 2021. तो हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि LIC प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स को आने का जगह दे रही है, काम करने के लिए, बिजनेस करने के लिए फ्रीडम दे रही है. हाउ वुड द कॉर्पोरेशंस प्रोस्पेक्ट्स बी अफेक्टेड एज पर द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द पैसेज. के कॉर्पोरेशन के प्रोस्पेक्ट्स कैसे अफेक्ट होंगे ये हमें बताना है. हमें एंटोनिम ढूंढना है गार्नर का और हमें सिनोनिम ढूंढना है स्टीप का. तो ये आपके क्वेश्चन थे. चलिए गाइस अब पैसेज पढ़ते हैं और आंसर करते हैं इनको. After much uncertainty, the LIC, Life Corporation of India, has filed its draft red herring prospectus DRHP with the Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI). The initial public offering is for 31.6 crore shares or 5% of the government stake. As per the DRHP's, LIC's embedded value, a measure of the consolidated shareholders' value in an insurance company, has been estimated at rupees 5.3 lakh crore. The embedded value is this much. A measure of consolidated shareholder value in an insurance company has been this. While the offer price is yet to be disclosed, insurance companies typically tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded value. A successful fructification of the IPO by March would help the government achieve its scale down disinvestment target of 78,000 crore, of which it has only been able to garner 12,000 crore so far. So that is the reason that they typically tend to insurance companies typically tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded values. As of March 31, 2021, LIC had a 66.2% market share in new business premiums, a 74.6% share in individual policies issued, and 81% share in the number of group policies issued for 2021. Though increasingly LIC has been ceding space to private players, between this and this, private sector life insurance players saw their premiums grow at 18%, while LIC's premium grew at 9%. ठीक है, क्योंकि उनका जो इंश्योरेंस जो उनका वो है प्रीमियम है वो 18% से बढ़ा है, जबकि एल का प्रीमियम 9% से बढ़ा है. इंडिया इज स्टिल एन अंडर पेनिट्रेटेड मार्केट. डिस्पाइट दिस वी कैन से इंडिया स्टिल एन अंडर पेनिट्रेटेड मार्केट. द कंट्रीज इंश्योरेंस डेंसिटी इज मच लोअर देन दैट ऑफ अदर डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज, विच इंडिकेट्स स्कोप फॉर ग्रोथ. While a listing on the exchanges will open LIC's governance structures and investment decisions to public scrutiny, continued government interference in its decision making will affect the corporation's prospects. The steep discounts that the public sector companies trade at when compared to their private sector counterparts is a reflection of this pattern. Considering that LIC is a custodian of the policyholders' money, the government must resist the temptation of using its coffers for its own purpose. It's a custodian of policyholders' money. The government must resist the temptation of using its coffers for its own purpose. Okay. चलिए अब देखते हैं गाइस क्या इसमें ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट बताना है हमें यहाँ पे. विच इज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट? द इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग ऑफ LIC ऑफ इंडिया इज ऑफ फॉर 31.6 करोड़ शेयर्स. ये दिया हुआ है क्लियरली. आई थिंक 31.6 करोड़ शेयर्स ये रहा. यस, ये तो ठीक है. दिस इज करेक्ट. द कंसोलिडेटेड शेयर होल्डर्स वैल्यू in an insurance company has been estimated at 5.39 lakh crore. Estimated 5.3 lakh crore. This is also given. The initial public offering of the life insurance corporation is 5% of the government's borrowing. Is it government's borrowing? 5% of the government's stake, not government's borrowing. It should be 5% of government's stake. So this is incorrect. The statement says 5% of government's borrowing. So this is incorrect. So option 3, only 3 is incorrect, guys. Right. Chaliye, next question. Why did the insurance company tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded values? Because the companies failed to evaluate the exact value of the IPO, because the price is still fluctuating in Indian market, because the offer price is not revealed in the market, because the insurance company is not sure about the prices of the IPO. So देखते हैं एक बार इसमें क्या दिया हुआ था. While the offer price is yet to be disclosed, insurance companies typically tend to trade at a multiple of their embedded value. So that is, the prices not sure about the prices, so that's why they tend to trade at a multiple value. So option D is your clear answer, because the insurance company is not sure about the price of the IPO. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct in context of the passage? LIC had a 66.2% market share in new business premiums of 2020-2021. 66.2%. New business premiums, right? So this is correct. LIC had a 74.6% share in the number of group policies issued for 2021. 74.6% group policies issued. 74.6. Individual, not group. This is individual policies issued, not group policies. So this is incorrect. And I think 81.1% share in individual policies issued for 2021. No, this is opposite. So 81 is in group policies and 76 in individual policies. So only option A is correct here. So only option A is valid here. These options are invalid. So option 1 is the correct answer. All right, guys. Next question. How can we say that LIC has been increasingly giving space to private players in between this and this? Private players with their innovative techniques captured the premium market smoothly. LIC failed to maintain the premiums in the Indian market, thus giving it up to private players. There is an inverse relation between the premiums of the private players and the LIC premium. The growth in the premiums of private players is higher as compared to LIC premium. Yes, that was the reason. The premium of private players was 18%, whereas premium for LIC was 9%. So that is the that is the proof that LIC has been giving space to private players in this time frame. Next question, guys. How would the corporation's prospects be affected as per the context of the passage? Scope of growth is not there, thus affecting the corporation's prospects. Investment decisions will affect the decision making and corporations' prospects. The continued government interference will affect the corporation's prospect. No, guys, it's not that government is interfering. It says it should not interfere. So scope of the growth is not there. I don't think it's correct. The scope is not there. Investment decisions will affect the decision making in corporations prospects. In investment decision, this is not even mentioned. So I don't think any of these is the answer for the prospects to be affected by. So none of the above is the correct answer here, guys. All right. The correct antonym of the word garner. Garner. Let's look at the passage now once again. Garner. Here it is. First paragraph, last line. A successful fructification of IPOs by March would help the government achieve its scaled down investment target of 78,000 crore, of which it has only been able to garner. That means to be able to collect uh, um, that amount of money. So antonym, garner is to collect, congregate is collection, collect again synonym, gather again synonym, dissolve is the antonym. So we have to find the opposite word. So dissolve is the correct antonym for garner. Garner is to collect, dissolve is to lose. And last question, guys, the correct synonym for the word steep. Steep is deep. So deprived, excessive, moderate, void is empty, deprived is when you don't have something, but the steep is excessive when something is very deep, very excessive. So option B is the correct answer here, guys. So this was your previous year paper for NABARD grade A phase 1 for English language for the year 2023. Now guys, if you understand, if you found that it is beneficial, it is useful for you, how to understand and how to get to the right answers with the help of this video. Now you can join us in this series. Let me show you how you can do that. Now what you have to do is you just have to go to your browser and type edutap.in and you will land on our home page. Now this is our home page, guys. Now under the you can see the different tabs here. Under courses, when you scroll down, you will see NABARD grade A courses. Now when you click on that, you will see all our courses available to you. Now these courses come with a validity of 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 years. So now this is a 11-hour course, trial course that you can use for your preparation. This is just a demo course. Now this is test series for NABARD grade A phase 1 and phase 2. Only test series. Now this is the silver course for only preparation for phase 2 and interview, but this is what I am talking about, the gold course. Now this is a one-stop solution for all your exams, for all your phases of the exam, phase 1 plus phase 2 plus interview. So all the components are covered here, even tests, all the practice test, mock test, PYQs, sectional test, full length test are provided, live classes along with concept classes, concept notes, summary sheets, mock test, interview sessions. Everything is provided to you in this course. So you can go check out the component and the deliverables and get benefited from it. Now we are offering a flat 70% off on this. The coupon code is Capital India and you can avail a flat 60%, 70% discount on this amount. So go get benefited and start your preparation for today. So guys, that was it for this session. I hope this was beneficial and useful for you. Don't forget to like the session, guys, if you've waited up till here. And if you have any doubt, if you have any queries regarding anything at all, you can always call us on this number during the office hours, which is 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. So thank you so much once again, guys. Keep on working hard, keep on giving your best, and I'm sure you will come out with flying colors. So keep up the good work and happy learning to all of you.